Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can we do custom column order. Okay, in by default Elementor page builder we cannot see any mm, column order. Okay, so how can you do column order like this? First of all, you need to install the plugin. I share it my description or past comment sec. After install the plugin, you go into your target pages, and here you can see your column. Like I want to keep it my this column going to start. Here you can see layout. Here after install the plugin you can see mobile column control, and here you can control this if you want to going to give it 2, or if you're going to 3 you can control it here, or you want to the start column going to first, you can here set 1, and if you want to just go into second column you can set here 2. This is going to send this like this. Okay, thank you.